Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to access lesson audio. The majority of our lessons come with audio that can be used in class or shared online. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged in, go to Materials in the top banner and click Lessons from the drop-down menu. Browse through the list of categories and look for categories that have the speaker icon next to them. You'll also notice the speaker icon next to individual lessons. This means that these resources have audio. Once you found something of interest, click that lesson to be brought to the lesson overview page. Click Open PDF or click the PDF button on the left to begin accessing the audio. At the bottom of the PDF is where you'll find the audio tracks. Click this to view the list. You'll see there are two options depending on the accent you prefer. Click one, and then click the play button to begin listening to the audio.
In class.
You also have the option to download the audio. Click the down arrow next to the track you'd like to download. This will save the track to the downloads folder of your device. In some cases, when the down arrow is clicked, a pop-up will appear. To continue downloading, click the three dots on the right and click Download from the menu. Downloading the audio is useful for working offline, as well as if you have any technical issues during your class, you'll always have a downloaded version as a backup. That's it for this video on how to access lesson audio. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.